Major Kalshi classes, online courses for all defense exams, recorded lecture, e-notes, daily live classes, online test. अब online पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया. Download the MKC Learning app and fulfill your dreams.
Good morning all of you. Before starting this class, I would like to tell all the aspirants over there that here at Major Kalshi classes, we conduct GD and electorate classes on a regular basis for 1 hour, where you not only practice but you get thorough assessment of your performance so that you can improve upon the areas where you are lacking. It is more like a brainstorming class which not only upgrades your knowledge but boosts up your confidence level and thus enhances your performance as well as your personality. Now coming back to our topic, that is GD. GD stands for group discussion. In total there will be 2 GD conducted on the very same day. Okay. There will be a topic given to you for the GD and each topic will have 3 leads, that is 3 options. You have to select any one of the option which you think is most suitable to that topic and then you have to give your opinion. Now for the GD there are certain things that you have to keep in your mind. The first thing is be clear and open with your thoughts and ideas. Okay. See, if you are confused, you will make other confused as well. So make sure you are having proper clarity of thought with proper reasoning skills. Now second thing is, don't repeat the same point again and again. There are 2 consequences of this. The very first one is, it reflects that you don't have much knowledge and don't have much awareness. The second consequence is that the group will not give you a chance to speak because you are repeating the same thing. So make sure you are having a broader perspective, a good reasoning skill. Now the third thing and the most important one is that don't be aggressive. See, it's a group discussion, don't try to make it as a debate. As the name suggests, you are sitting with the group. So make sure you are cooperating well with the group. So at last I would like to say that it's okay to be okay, but don't be okay with your weaknesses. Just work hard with determination and perseverance, fulfill your dream and make your parents proud. Thank you and Jai Hind. So all the candidates, ready for the GD?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen to your topic. ASEAN nations are looking up to India. How India can play its role? ASEAN nations are looking up to India. How India can play its role? And the options are: first, technologically; second, economically; and third, via military rights. Should I repeat the topic?
No, ma'am.
Comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start your GD.
ASEAN nation is an association of Southeast Asian nations. It consists of different nations like Indonesia, Philippines, Myanmar and Vietnam. Or there are several other countries as well. They are interlinked on the basis of their government and on the basis of their social, economical, cultural and they share equal and good cultures. So they are connected like this. But in my opinion, they have to be someone who will govern these countries. Better government is needed. So India is a country who govern these Asian nations so that there will be interlinking and there will be more way ahead so that they can perform better.
Definitely, just number 53. As we know that India is providing the technology to the ASEAN nation. By giving example, I will clarify my thought. We can see the example of BrahMos missile. India is providing the BrahMos missile to the ASEAN nation like Vietnam and many more. And there is also some country can be concluded like
yes, just number 2, you are adding up a very good point about the missile and also the submarine. So this will come under the defense and the military purposes. Okay, means technology is something different, and we can't say that the Southeast Asian countries are lacking behind in technology. They are way ahead. I can say that they are ahead from us also. But talking about the defense, see, why they will look up to India? It is not the fact about government or not any other fact. We have to look the fact that where they are situated. They are situated in a place means around the South China Sea, where China is playing a major role. So we have to see that why they will look up to India. So it becomes very important for them to look up to India because they have to get military support from a very means powerful nation, so that if there is any chances of anything, they can get a support always ready. See what we can see that now, as given example by just number 2 also, BrahMos missile. Also India gave our submarine to Myanmar. See, like this we are means passing our not think, see, we are giving it for
Yes,
free,
number
but
15,
why we are
partially
giving it for
agree
free?
with you,
Like,
but
it is not a free,
India
we are
and
giving
other
them
nations
get support from them
should
also.
not
Like, we can,
interfere in other persons.
when it comes to
in
our
other
security also,
internal
like we are
matters,
also
we
having a
cannot
threat from the
be
China, so we have to also create our friendly members also.
Sectoral part of sectoral partner of Asian nation since 1992. So India, the free trade area has been created, and through that they conduct the exports and imports. India is the fourth trading partner of Asian nation, and it has also 11.2 billion people export and import through
And
this
just number
person.
95, as we know that Asian was founded 8 August 1967 in Philippines, and its headquarters is at Jakarta, Indonesia, and its member is Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Singapore, Myanmar, and Thai also. And we can see that India is like trading with other countries like Myanmar, and it will become more powerful, and it will helpful for the good.
Gentlemen, but we have to look at the broader perspective also. Like we are seeing about China also. Like in the name, we can see that China is opening so many cases of OBOR and CFA and the South China Sea matter also. So we can see that in the name of trade, whatever trade is not only China is of economy. We have to look at the broader perspective, and we are seeing that China is China. They are not like China. We are so they are like territory also what we are seeing in the South China Sea. This is not only about the trade. We have to think that what is the thing that is being in the recent time. Talking you have 95 added up a very good point about trade. But now the shift has been there. Now we are seeing that in the recent times that how China has put the South China Sea as a gauge there from there, and also trade. And we know Southeast Asia around the South China Sea. We are seeing that the government should be included in GDP also. Like we can't
increasing the policy of the new in the country. There are the facility of the provided in the country. So they are the now in past 2008 to 17 the India is second position of the GDP in 53% around, and the Asian country is 39% around, and first place is China is 132% GDP. Then now is recently 2021 has GDP is Asian country is a 6% increase. Then after India is also increased is 9% up to.
We can see the dominance of China in the South China Sea. China is threat for ASEAN nation in the South China Sea because
not only South China, we have to look at the policy of China, that how they are doing. Like they are giving they are lot amount of money they are spending in a kind of nation, and then acquiring their land for their own purposes. Also means they are creating their military bases in that country. So we have to look at that part also. Like we have to counter. Like if India is not countering these kind of things, we are creating to ourselves also. We have to counter all these kinds of things. So we have to look out like in our own budget also. We have given a lot of money to the nations like Mali and Philippines and Mauritius. So why we are doing this? We are doing this so that these countries will come out of their of China. So these are the things that will happen to Southeast Asian countries also, of Asian members also. So we have to counter all these things. So this will end up with like when Southeast China Sea will look up to India. Because now we can see that there has been a change of government in USA, and earlier what we were seeing that whenever a problem was there in South China Sea, USA was interfering, but now the government has changed. So we have to look at that perspective
for their economic growth. They have only cost. So what are the other factors? we have India has rich varieties, have coast also, have good agriculture facilities also, but these countries don't have that much of liberty. So we have to see that these what are the factors that these Asian nations are lacking. So we have to improve. India has to intermediate and see what are the differences this country has and what can the best use of our resources that we can help the Asian nations.
Now we are watching a barrier that Myanmar is established with military rule. So that is a barrier in developing of the Asian nation. And few days ago, if you have seen the our honorable Prime Minister's bhashan, he had proposed that in technologies or in every sector, economic sectors, we can set an example by creating or initiating or by the innovative ideas of technologies and economic sector that will attract the FDIs and
policy by
these countries
Pradhan
more
Mantri
companies
Narendra
to
Modi is
India,
a major
and
thing
that by
which
that
has
time
transformed
Asian nations will be helpful for India.
look East policy to Act East policy. So through that, the India is helping the eastern nations, the southeast nations. So it has improved the
When we talking about the like earlier about the technology also, like we can take example of Singapore, Vietnam, they like they are way ahead in kind of technology. So it is not about the technology and also means we can't say that economically they are so big. They are big economically also.
Okay, stop.
FDIs in India only.
Stop. Chess number 53 and chess number 15. Performance was good. Okay, good confidence level, good clarity of thought. Chess number 95, your performance is improving but still power of expression. Chess number 2, same with you, power of expression. 92, power of expression but confidence level. Okay, just develop it more. Chess number 78, your performance was good but today you were stucking. Okay, so make sure you are speaking fluently. Okay, because that will hamper your power of expression. Fine. Chess number 64, chess number 8 and chess number 100. You need to work on your confidence level. Okay, develop confidence level first, then we will come back to content. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is all for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Major Kalshi classes online courses for all defense exams. Recorded lecture, e-notes, daily live classes, online test. अब online पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया. Download the MKZ Learning app and fulfill your dreams.